Hello everyone, this is the part 4 of Canadian insurance website. The website name is lowestrate.ca. In this website you can easily get the lowest car insurance company for Canada so that you can apply and get the car you want. Ontario Auto Insurance Authority and rate regulation. Auto insurance premium in Canada are government regulated, meaning that they don't change without approval. To change rate, insurance provider in Ontario must go through the Financial Service Regulatory Authority of Ontario. Following approval, FSBA publishes a list of appropriate changes. The approve process means that auto insurance rates don't tend to change as often as home insurance rate, which is an unregulated. Insurance providers make money through premium as well as investment. In a low interest rate environment, when investments aren't necessarily producing a high return, home insurance premiums are likely to increase sooner than car insurance premium. How do Ontario car insurance rates compare to other provinces? Unfortunately, Ontario auto insurance premiums are among the highest in Canada. Why? Many experts point to high fraud rates are higher than average traffic on Ontario roads. Compare the average Ontario insurance rates to other provinces. Providence. You can see Ontario, British Columbia, Alberta, Newfoundland and Labrador, Providence, UK, Nova Society, Scotland, New Brunswick. As you can see, there are the rates of everything you want to know so that you get the best lowest car insurance for your car. So I will discuss the next part in the next video.